So hello everyone, welcome back to our data structures and algorithm series. So today we'll be solving the question reverse string. So in this question we have been given a string and we have to return the reverse string. So HELLO. So we have to return OLLEH. Simple. So this is a very simple question. So the first approach which comes in your mind is you can just make some another string. You can start iterating from last and you will push it in another string. So you'll, for example, you'll make the strng string of s and you'll start a loop from last and you'll just go till here and you'll keep pushing it in this s. So this will be your brute force approach, but in that case you'll be using an extra array, or let's say vector or whatever you will use. But in this question we have been given that we must do it in place with 0 big of an extra space. So we have to do in the string itself, so we have to reverse in the string itself. So what's the approach? So this we solve by pointer approach. We'll keep our starting pointer here and ending pointer here. We'll replace our starting pointer and ending pointers value, and then we'll move our start at the next value and move our end at the right value. So this is my approach. So I'll make int st start, which will be at 0. Then I'll make an end, which will be at s dot size minus 1. And what I'll say, while my st is less than equal to end. So until my start is less, my start is here, my end is here. So once my start and end crosses, then there is no need to I can say basically n, because if it's equal then also no need to replace. So what while my start is less than n, what I'll do, I'll just say character ch equal to s of I, s of start, sorry. And how do I reverse? Simply I'll store this, then I'll say my string of end will be equal to string of start, and then I can say string of what, my start equal to string of end. So I'll just make this up and I'll just write here, rather than start, because my start has been updated, I just write here ch. I have to also increase my start and I have to also decrease my end here. So let's just try to run this. This should work, and it is. So let's try to submit this. What's the length? Which is 1, so I don't think so any error, we will get any error. So let's submit. So it's submitted. So that was it. We have to just simply start from here, and we'll make a start pointer start from here, end pointer from here, and we'll just keep on swapping those. So that was it. It was a simple question. Thank you.